What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. How do I power my electronics in my car? I get these adapters for your accessory port. We used to call it a cigarette lighter, but this one from AUKEY, man, box is a little hard to open, is one of my favorites, and I just want to show it to you because I'm going to use it. Oh, the box isn't hard. I'm just a moron. Because I really like these, in particular because of their size. So what you have here is dual USB ports, and you get the fast charging, the 2.4 amps on both of these. Sometimes these are 1 amp, so you get the fast charging on both. You can see how short it is here. This is AUKEY on the side, and in a lot of cars, this ends up being flush with the panel, and so it looks almost like it's built in, as opposed to having kind of a large brick up at the top of it, something like this, where you've got kind of this large adapter. So this is one of those that just fits right in. I really like these. These are the only type I get now where they sit flush, and so sometimes if there's a flap or a drawer or a little door that flips over it, they still will work completely, and it looks like a factory finish. So check it out. If you want one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. But I really love these little adapters. Peter from Panda, out.